In this video, we can talk about top 5 Rephrase.ai alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome to the Alternatives channel. Are you looking for an alternative to Rephrase.ai? If yes, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best AI-powered video editing software that can beat Rephrase.ai in terms of superior features. First alternative is Pictory. Pictory is a video editing software that uses AI technology to automate video editing tasks. It offers features like voiceovers, script-to-video, auto-caption videos, and creating video highlights. The software is easy to use and has a user-friendly interface, making it a great option for businesses looking for an efficient video editing solution. Second alternative is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that enables businesses to create engaging videos quickly. The software offers features like blogs to videos, talking head videos, video templates, and text-to-video conversion. It's a great option for those who need to create videos for social media quickly and easily. Third alternative is Murf. Murf is a cutting-edge AI-powered text-to-speech platform that offers fast and accurate voice-over creation services. The software offers features like voice cloning, voice-over video, voice changer, and text-to-speech. Murf's intuitive and user-friendly interface makes it accessible to all, regardless of technical expertise. Fourth alternative is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered video generation software that automates the video production process. It offers features like AI avatars, video templates, background music, and closed captions. Synthesia is an ideal option for businesses with an international presence and easy to use, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Fifth alternative is Descript. Descript is a video and audio editing software that offers features like transcription, podcasting, overdub, and screen recording. It's a great option for those who need to create high-quality videos with text and audio quickly and easily. Compared to Rephrase.ai, Pictory offers a more creative and visual approach to video creation, while Lumen 5 is better suited for creating social media videos. Murf is a newer tool that offers a unique way of creating videos through chat, and Synthesia specializes in creating AI-powered personalized videos. Descript, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive audio and video editing tool that allows for collaborative editing. If you're looking for an AI-powered video creation tool that offers personalized video creation, we recommend Synthesia as the best option. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.